2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.